Good morning, children. Saidam. Again, we are back, but with a new topic. What is that? Dictionary. So, we are going to do the first part today. Let us start with dictionary. What is a dictionary? It is a reference book that contains words which are arranged in alphabetical order. It gives information about word meaning, pronunciation, etymology, and uses. Now, what is etymology? Etymology means the origin of the word. Now, let's see what is the use of dictionary. It tells us how to spell a word and to learn how to pronounce a word correctly. It also defines a word and it helps us to find synonyms, antonyms for a word. It tells us how many syllables are there in a word, and it also tells us what part of speech a word is. Let us see the parts of a dictionary. First is main entry words. These are set in bold type and stick out a bit from the meanings. This is to help you find the word easier. Guide words. Guide words tell you the first and last main entry words that appear on a page. Now here one example is given. Great to greenhouse. So great is also a entry word and greenhouse is entry word, right? Now it means that in that particular page all the words from great to greenhouse will be there. Next we have head word. A head word or catchword is the word under which a set of related dictionary or encyclopedia entries appears. The head word is used to locate the entry and dictates its alphabetical position, also called entry word. So that means, children, don't get confused. So entry word, head word means the same. Entry words are in ABC order, that is alphabetical order. They are in bold print. Each word defined in a dictionary is called an entry word. When the question is asked, write the entry of this word. So don't get confused. That means you have to write whatever information is given in the dictionary about the particular word. You have to write. Okay. Now guide words. Guide words show the first word and the last word on the page. So what are guide words, children? Guide words are found at the top of each page in a dictionary. These words are helpful because they tell you the first and last entry words on a page. The guide word on the left is the first entry word on the page, and the guide word on the right is the last entry word on the page. They help you find the words you are looking for. That means you will understand from which word to which word you will find on that particular page. Now see, children, here I have a picture for you from the dictionary. What does it tell you? Here the first word is Australian rules. The guide word you can see. Okay, the left hand side you have Australian rules, and the next word is automation. So you have from Australian rules to automation on this page. Let's see. Yes, the last word is automation. So this is guide word. So here what do you find? That means all the words from Australian rules to automation will be found on this page. Okay. Now what is the next important thing we come to know in a dictionary? The pronunciation of word. An entry word is followed by its pronunciation or the way it is spoken. The pronunciation is broken into syllables and accent marks show which syllables to emphasize. Accent marks, that is stress marks, will be shown how to pronounce the word, which syllable to emphasize. So pronunciation is a way of speaking a word. A dictionary uses symbols to indicate the sounds of the letters in a word. This is found in the beginning of the dictionary. Here you have the word entry of angular. The word angular is written in bold letter. So this is head word. Okay. And all information of that particular word is given here. So that means it's a entry. Okay. Word entry of angular. All information about that particular word. Just beside angular, you can see within the slash pronunciation is given. Okay. You can see that this pronunciation is divided into syllables. Okay. And how many syllables are there? Angular. That means it has 3 syllables. Okay. So see children how important it is. You can understand how the word is to be pronounced. So it is written here A-N-G-U-L-A-R. So anybody can say it is angular or angular. But see the actual pronunciation. It is given angular. G-Y-U-U-L-E-R. So it is angular. Okay. So it's very useful, right? Children, you must be having dictionary in your house. So whenever you have any difficulty regarding the pronunciation of any word, you can find out from the dictionary. There is no point in keeping the dictionary in your house like that. Only when you refer to it and find out the correct pronunciation or meaning of the words, it becomes useful. So what is a syllable? A syllable is a part of a word that contains a single vowel sound and that is pronounced as a unit. So for example, book has 1 syllable, only 1 vowel sound. Okay. And reading has 2 syllables, read, ing. So E and E sound. So we find that syllable is a word part that has only 1 vowel sound. Each entry word on dictionary is divided into syllables. The next important part we should study in a dictionary is part of speech and definition. A word's part of speech and definitions follow its pronunciation. After pronunciation, you will find parts of speech of the word is given and then definitions are given. Sometimes you find multiple definitions are given and they will be numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means there are 4 definitions of that particular word. And the common meanings are usually listed first. So the common meanings is given first. Next important thing is sample sentences. In dictionaries, you will find sample sentences given. You will understand how the particular word can be used in a sentence. Now glossaries, what are glossaries? These are short dictionaries, or you can say after the end of a particular lesson, some new words which are introduced in that lesson, or some uncommon words which are used in that lesson, the meanings will be given. So you find that in some of the dictionaries, sample sentences are given. Sometimes pictures are also given to help you to understand the word meanings. The next important thing is page number. So page number shows you in which page the word occurs. Children, whenever we are telling you to write the word entry or head word, we will be telling you to write the page number also. Let us see the parts of a dictionary entry. Here, one word is taken, which is the word mountain. Mountain is a word which is head word also, right? What is the other name for the head word? Entry word. Then just beside the word, noun is written. So what is noun? It is the parts of speech, okay, of the word mountain. The next, what you find, there is given number 1. So here the first meaning. It means what is the meaning of this word mountain? The first meaning is a large area of land that rises to a great height. So this word, 2 meanings are there. So what is the second meaning? You can see that number 2 is given. A large pile or amount. So the next you have the pronunciation also given. The word mountain, see the pronunciation what is given? M-O-U-N, which here you will find that it is stressed. Can you see the stress symbol? Yes, mountain. After that, what is written? Noun, that is a pile or amount. That is also a noun. And then plural, what is the plural of mountain? Mountains. Okay. So words with endings for different uses. So what do you find? Here you will have the entry of the word mountain, wherein you can understand the parts of speech, the meanings, the pronunciation and the plurals also. Let's revise, children. We have another word for you. Lively. So lively, that's the entry word, the head word. Then next to the word, we have pronunciation. So here, lively. Lively, you can see that L-I-V, after that there is a stress symbol. Okay, that means it tells you how to pronounce the word. Lively. So live is stressed. And then here you will find that the pronunciation is within the brackets. Earlier picture we have seen that it is within the slash. So in some dictionary you will find it will be within the slash or within the brackets. So next important thing, what you find? It is parts of speech. What is the parts of speech? It is adjective. In some of the dictionary you will have only abbreviation of adjective, that is A, D, J will be written. Okay. For noun, N will be written. For verb, V will be written. Like that. So some of the dictionary, they write the full form. The next what we have is full of energy. Number 1 is written. That means it is the first definition of the word lively. The sample sentence is given next. The lively puppies romped around the room. This is the sample sentence of the first meaning, right? Then the second meaning is bright. Second definition is bright. So here the walls of Emma's room were painted a lively pink. So here that means the meaning of the word lively is bright here. So bright pink. Okay. So the word lively has two meanings. One is full of energy and another is bright. So children, let us understand what all important things you have to remember in a dictionary. The first is entry word or the head word. So what is the entry word here? Instead. Next you have pronunciation. What is given here inside the brackets? So instead, here 2 syllable words, right? So in and stead. So you find here stead is stressed. Okay, divided into 2 syllable. In stead. So stress is given to stead. Okay. Then you have parts of speech. What is the parts of speech given? ADV, that is adverb. It is an abbreviated form of adverb. Next you have definition. So what is the definition given here? In place of a person or of something. Then next you have a sample sentence. What is the sentence given here? Will you go to play instead of me? Then important thing is page number. So 226 page number is given. Children, I hope you have understood what all important points you have to remember in a dictionary. With that, we come to the end of this video. At the end of the video, there will be a link. You have to click on the link and submit your answers. Thank you.